Our today's question comes from Organization Design Level 5. Question on your screen. Discuss why organizational design should take employee well-being into account. 14 marks. Organizational design shapes how a company is structured, and considering employee well-being ensures workers are healthy and motivated. This improves performance and engagement. This section discusses 3 reasons why design should include well-being, with examples. To begin with, well-being boosts productivity. Designs with flexible hours or wellness programs help employees stay healthy, leading to better work. For example, Google's design with gym access keeps engineers productive and happy. Furthermore, well-being reduces turnover. A design supporting work-life balance keeps employees longer. For instance, a bank like Standard Bank offering mental health support retains tellers, saving hiring costs. Finally, well-being enhances reputation. Companies with well-being-focused designs attract talent and customers. For example, a retailer like Chipico Plus with wellness programs is seen as a good employer, boosting its image. In conclusion, organizational design should consider employee well-being to improve productivity, reduce turnover, and enhance reputation. Examples from Google, Standard Bank, and Chipico Plus show these benefits. Companies that prioritize well-being in design create better workplaces and achieve success.